Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at VITE Coin, VITE, VITE USDT. One of my viewers had asked for me to do a price prediction on it, so I figured I might as well. So we'll take a look at the charts. We'll see if there's any potential for profit, and I will share that with you. Also, in my last video or two, I shared with you guys that I'm remodeling our kitchen. So if you guys want to linger around and see how it's going so far, I'll share with you guys that. Okay, so stick around. So let me share my screen with you and we'll take a look at VITE. All right. Share my screen. Ding-a-ling. Okay. So I have to go over this for those guys that are new. So you understand what you're looking at here. What I do is I come in, I draw bases on charts. I draw these lines. And what happens is when price action breaks that base, more often than not, it'll swing back up and it'll touch that line again, or it'll move it a little bit above it. Sometimes it hits the line and it goes right back down. Sometimes it'll go beyond the line. Okay. So this lets you know where the dip is. Okay. And I'm going to illustrate this for you guys so you can see that I know what I'm talking about. Now, keep in mind, everybody's down right now. Everybody that's been in trades is down. So it's across the board. People are starting to come back in because they think that we're somewhat near the bottom and we're going to hopefully ride it back up again. So now might be a good time to be able to jump into a trade. Remember, this is not advice. This is just my opinion. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at these bases. Here's a base right here. Let me see if I can blow that up here. Okay, so let me get rid of this line. Beep, beep. Okay, so there's the base. Price action, what did it do? It broke it. And then what did it do? It came back up. It touched it, right? And then it lingered around and then it went way up high. Okay, so if I would have bought somewhere in here, I'm buying the what? The dip, right? I'm buying the dip. I'm riding up high. They always say buy the dip. Okay, here's another one. Broke this base. What did it do? It came back up. That's two. Here's another one, broke this base, came back up, and then went way up high, okay? That's three. All right, here's another one, broke this base, came up, broke it again, and then came back up. There's 4 and 5. Here's a base right here, broke that one, came back up. That's 6. Here's one, it broke it, came back up, 7. All right, let's keep going here. It broke right here, and it came back up. It broke right there again and came back up. It broke this line right here, lingered for a while, almost came back up, came back down. Everyone probably said, I'm out of it. And then what did it do? It came back up. It touched that line and barely went above it and then shot right back down real quick. Right there, it broke that base, came up. It broke this base. It came up right there on one stick. And if it didn't, you would have almost caught it right there. And if you missed that one, you would have definitely caught it over here. Okay. It broke down here real quick. 2 quick ones came back up. Over here, this big long one, it would have hit there and it would have hit there and it would have hit there and it would have hit there. Okay, so if you knew where this line was, you would have been able to jump in on the trade when it's down here and rode it back up. Okay, so here's another one, broke real quick there, came up, it broke that one and came back up. It broke this one, and what did it do? It swung up right there, and then it came back down. It broke this one, it came up over here. It broke that one and came up over here. But which one hasn't it come back up on? Right there, okay? So real quick, before I continue with the price prediction, if you guys could just take a split second, look down below the video, and click the thumbs up sign, okay? That helps me out. That helps me out with my algorithm for YouTube. It also helps YouTube start to recommend my videos to other people that are into crypto and stocks, okay? So it only takes a second, and it's free to click that button. Okay, so let's take a look at VITE. Here it is, top swing back. This is on a long-term hold because, look we've been lingering here since January of 2022. We're already coming up on August. Okay, so our hope is that at some point it's going to start to make its way back up because we've seen more often than not that it makes its way back up and touches these lines, right? Okay, that's on a long-term hold. But if I wanted to do something quick, I could set my take profit. Right now it's at 0.027. I could set my take profit up here at 0.042. That's a good profit. I could set it anywhere in here. I could set it anywhere above where it's at, anywhere in that range right there. Doesn't matter. It's just a matter of a waiting game. The higher up, the longer the hold, the lower the down, the shorter the hold, and then you can jump onto something else. Okay. So a couple more things, and then I'm going to share with you guys the information, the video on my kitchen and how it's going. Make sure you guys follow me over here on Instagram. I'm losing my voice here. Instagram, it's called Investing Points. Please go follow me over there. Also, you guys can send me a DM with your email address, and I'll send you a free copy of my spreadsheet of how I track everything, okay? You guys can see I've got a lot of coins in here that have cleared. So my technique works. Okay, so remember to follow me on this channel if you have not yet. I am going to, let me bring this back. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my kitchen. My wife and I, well, she wanted a farmhouse sink, one of those apron sinks. They're nice, but it wouldn't fit on our old kitchen. So what would we do, or what'd she do? She talked me into getting a whole new expensive kitchen. So it's been taking up our garage for probably about 2 months, all the new cabinets. So it's starting to get installed today. So let me share with you guys a quick video of what's going on. I'm going to populate a couple video, little photos up here on the screen so you can see what it looked like before and after, well, to where it is right now. So the cabinet should be done by tomorrow. And then we're putting in the countertop. And then we got to do the backsplash. And then we got to do the hood above the range. So I'll keep you guys posted. Some of you guys may not be interested, but some of you guys might find it interesting. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And here comes the video on where it's at as of today. Okay, everybody, let's go take a look and see what's going on with the remodel. Let's go inside. All right, there's Enzo. You guys have seen him on my prior videos. You saw him when he was a little puppy tearing up the couch and going nuts and barking at me every time I try to make a video. All right, yeah, now you're acting friendly, aren't you? But when they come to the door, that's another thing. Okay, so here's the remodel. We're having to store everything from the kitchen in bins, and then we have to put on top of the table here. So we're kind of dealing with that. And then in the morning, we make our coffee right there. Right, Enzo? Okay, I know. And so here, you kind of go into the family room here. This table normally isn't here, it's over there. But we had to move everything out of the kitchen. So you can see here, there's a refrigerator. Normally it's right there. So we had to move it out of the way, but you can see all the new cabinets are coming in. They're starting to be put in. And a gas range goes right there. And then the sink will go right there where Enzo's big head is. And this whole remodel started because of this sink right here. My wife wanted the apron sink, and it wouldn't, for some reason, it wouldn't fit on her old cabinetry. So there you go. That's the big bill, all due to that guy right there. So we'll move the refrigerator back over, and what I'll do is I'll keep you guys kind of posted as to the status of everything as it happens, but I wanted to include you guys in on a little bit about me. I know I show some stuff periodically. Oh, there's Enzo wiping his butt on the ground. That's nice. All right. I guess I'm gonna have to clean that one up. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. I'll keep you guys posted on the update as it happens. This whole thing should be done, well, the cabinet should be done by tomorrow, and then we got to get the countertops put in. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you guys see the final result, and I'll share with you guys a picture of what it looked like if I haven't already, but I'll put that in on the next video. All right, thanks guys for watching, and I'll do more stock or crypto predictions here shortly, okay? All right, thanks guys, bye-bye.